Hello everyone, welcome to the BBPS e-learning of science class. Today we have started the explanation part of the soil, that is chapter 9. You know that soil is one of the most important natural resource and it provides anchorage to the plant and supplies water and nutrients. And it is a home for many organisms, so many microscopic organisms are also found inside the soil. Soil is the essential for agriculture. As far we concern over the agriculture, agriculture provides food, clothing and shelter for all. And soil is thus an inseparable part of our life, and in the earthy fragrance of the soil after the first rain is always refreshing. Soil teeming with life. The soil, as you have concerned in the previous paragraph, that many type of organisms live inside the soil, and the different kinds of the samples we have taken from the different areas. For example, we have collecting the soil. First, the garden soil, in which grass plants are found and animals like ant are found. And soil from the roadside, if we collected the soil from the roadside, we are found so many small herbs, shrubs and plants are there on the roadside. And soil from the areas where construction is going on, in such type of soil where construction is going on, in addition to the soil there is a sand mixes with some big and small size of particles of the rocks also we can mixes with the soil. So you can see that when we collecting a different sample of soil from the different area, the composition of soil is somewhat less vary. Next one is soil profile. Soil is composed of distinct layers, and you know that the activity 9.2, in this activity 9.2 we have taken handful of sand and a handful of soil along with the 3/4 of water and place this soil and sand inside a glass and keep stirring for the 2 or 3 minutes with soil and sand and water, and keep undisturbed for some time. Afterwards, observe it and answer the following question. First question, do you see the particles of different sizes in the glass tumbler? Your answer will be yes. Next, is there some of the dead and rotting leaves, animals remains floating in the water? That is the also yes, because rotting and dead matter which is found in the soil is called humus. You probably know that how soil is formed. The soil is formed by the breaking down of the rocks by the action of wind, water and climate. And the process of formation of soil is also known as weathering. The nature of any soil depends upon rocks which it has been formed. As you know, there are so many types of rocks, that is metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks, and the type of vegetation that grows in it. A vertical section through different layers of soil is also called soil profile. Each layer different in color, texture, depth and chemical composition, and these layers are referred as horizons. We usually see the top surface of the soil, not the layers below it. If we look at the side of the recently dug ditch, we can see the inner layers of the soil too. Such a view can enable us to observe the soil profile of that place. The soil profile can also be seen while digging a well or laying the formation of a building. It can be also seen the sides of the road or a hill or a steep river bank. Soil profile consists of so many layers. It consists of the uppermost horizon. It is generally dark in color as it is rich in minerals. Humus makes the soil fertile and provides nutrients for the growing plant, and this layer is soft, porous and retain maximum amount of the water, and this is called the topsoil and or hay horizon. Next, a horizon or the topsoil also provides shelter for many living organisms such as worms, rodents, moles, and beetles. Also found inside this top layer of soil. The roots of small plants are also embedded entirely on the topsoil. The next layer has a lesser amount of humus, that is known as B horizon, but it is more content of minerals. This layer is generally hardy and more compact. It is called V horizon or the middle layer. The third layer is the C horizon, which is made up of small lumps, rocks, and cracks and crevices. And below the C horizon, there is a original bedrock from which the soil is formed, which is hard and difficult to dig with a spade. Okay, thank you.